Welcome back, folks. I just wanted to take a quick minute, just a short video here to show you what it looks like after you've foamed a tire. Like I said, this time I used a product called F-Bomb, which is pretty strong stuff. I diluted it down a little bit. You can use different dilutions to use it as a degreaser and for various things. You can even use it as an all-purpose cleaner if you dilute it down enough. But y'all saw me foam this tire, and I want you to look at the foam. What the foam does, it helps the product stay put on the surface so it all just doesn't run off. And what has happened, it has soaked in, and you can see the brown discoloration where that white foam has turned brown, where it is lifting that dirt and grease and grime and road dust and what all on these tires off of the rubber of the tire, dissolving those things. And now I'll take my brush, my stiff tire brush, I'll agitate a little bit, and then I'll rinse it, and it'll be really clean. Later, guys.